Jai Shri Gurudev. Welcome back to the English online class, children. Hope you are all safe. Now, in the previous videos, we have learnt about the lesson a hero. Swami has taken all the risk to attend the task as a challenge, and because of arguing with his father, he has to accept the challenge. So, he accepted the challenge, and finally he was in office room alone. What happened next? Let us see. With a desperate effort, he opened his eyes. He put his hand out to feel his granny's presence at his side, as he was his habit. But he only touched the wooden leg of the bench, and his lonely state came back to him. He sweated with fright. And now, what was this rustling? He moved to the edge of the bench and stared into the darkness. Children, with a desperate effort. What do you mean by desperate effort? Hopeless effort. Impossible effort. Desperate is nothing but hopeless, very bad, and it is hardly impossible. So he was dreaming about a nightmare where in which he saw a tiger chasing him, isn't it? So he felt impossible to live. He make his mind that he will definitely die. But with a hopeless effort he opened his eyes and he put his hand that he will get his granny beside him. But it, he caught a wooden bench. So the leg of the bench was caught hold by him, and he was lonely in that place, and he came to know that he is alone. Then he sweated with fright. So he was frightened and he sweated a lot. And now he is thinking of the rustling sound. He heard a sound and a little bit moved to the edge of the bench in the darkness. Something was moving down. He lay gazing at it in horror. His end had come. He realized that the devil would presently pull him out and tear him. And so why should he wait? As it came nearer, he crawled out from under the bench, hugged it with all his might, and used his teeth on it like a mortal weapon. Children, what happened? He realized something is moving. So he made up his mind and moved down. He lay gazing at it in horror. Gazing here means looking steadily, looking surprisingly. So he stared at it with horror. Something, maybe a ghost, some devil. His end had come. He realized that he may die now. So he realized that the devil would presently pull him out and tear him. So he saw something moving towards him and thought that it may be a devil or ghost and it will kill him by pulling him and tearing him. And so why should he wait? So he did not wait for the devil to come and pull him. As it came nearer, he crawled out from under the bench. So that some image, something came nearer to him. He does not wait for anything. He crawled himself. Means he moved on his two legs and two hands, crawling like a baby. He came out, hugged it with his might, means with all his strength. Might means nothing but a strong feeling, his strength. He came out like a baby crawling out of the bench and used his teeth as its mortal weapon. Mortal weapon means nothing but, children, deadly weapon. So he finally made his mind, whatever happens, I should face this. So he came out from the bench, under the bench, crawling, and he caught hold that thing like a deadly weapon. He used his teeth to bite the thing like a deadly weapon. Ayo, something has bitten me, went forth and agonized. thundering cry and was followed by a heavy tumbling and falling amidst furniture. In a moment, father, cook, and a servant came in, carrying light, and all three of them fell on the burglar, who lay amidst the furniture with a bleeding ankle. Children, what happened? As soon as he used his teeth as a weapon, he heard a sound, Ayyo! Something has bitten me. That image, what he saw, cried, Ayyo! Then he told that something has bitten. Went forth and agonized. What do you mean by agonized? Worried mentally. Means that image or the thing what he bit. He was worried mentally and with a thundering cry and followed by a heavy tumbling sound. Tumbling here, fall suddenly. Fall, he fell on the furniture like a dead body. In a moment, father, cook, and a servant came in carrying the light. So, as soon as even they heard the sound, Ayyo, suddenly the servant, cook, and father came carrying a light, the lantern. All the three of them fell on the burglar, who lay amidst the furniture with a bleeding ankle. Children, everybody saw the burglar. Who is the burglar? Burglar is nothing but a thief, a robber. So they all saw the robber or the burglar falling like a dead body with the ankle bleeding. So the ankle where Swami bite. So that part of the ankle was bleeding. So he was fell down on the furniture. Congratulations were showered on Swami next day. His classmates looked at him with respect, and his teacher patted his back. The headmaster said that he was a true scout. Swami had bitten into the flesh of one of the most notorious housebreakers of the district, and the police were grateful to him for it. Children, what happened? Who was he? He was a notorious housebreaker. He was a criminal. He was a robber, thief. He theft many houses. So the next day what happened? When he went to school, showered means congratulations were showered. He got most of the people blessed with him with congratulations, and his classmates looked at him with great respect. uh, and his teacher patted his back, means they just praised him. Even you will get the praising when you do something good, is it not? So like that, even Swami got praised by his teachers. The headmaster said that he was a true scout, means a true scout who is having lot of courage. Scout is nothing but the people who serve themselves like a servant to the public. So he was a true scout. Swami had bitten the flesh of one of the most dangerous housebreaker of that district, and the police were very grateful to him because catching a notorious housebreaker, a very infamous thief whom they couldn't catch. So this was the story of Swami, how he became a hero overnight. Children, still we have some more paragraphs. Let me continue that in the next video. Thank you, children. Go through this and read the textbook so that each and every line is important for you. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.